one weekend, but if I can, I will do it. Now, VGAC. Now, I've heard it's going to be 23andMe, but that hasn't been confirmed yet, so that's going to be a home DNA testing. Apparently some people have found their $73 Of course, that's not confirmed either, so I'm sorry to give you so many unconfirmed. Ligand Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, I spoke about before, it's up 19% on the day. Second most shorted stock, and even if you missed the short squeeze, it's still a good stock. It's got good financials. Rainbow Rare Earths Limited. Now, it's a UK stock, but I think it's good enough. You can see that its assets compared to liabilities well outweigh. Looking at Electrocore, this has received FDA approval for cluster migraines, and as you saw there, emergency use for patients with COVID. They, I wish I could just move this one. Or asthma display. Oh, I can't say it, sorry. Now, what they do is they have this thing that you push into, is non-invasive, and you push it against your neck and it gives pain relief. And it's one of the only non-invasive pain reliefs out there. I bought it. I'm sorry, I bought it too. I was preparing this video, but I did the live stream instead. It's gone up to 3 and well, just come back down to 2.9. We spoke about Ceragon. It's come down a bit, so CRNT might be worth looking at. Now, hi guys, why not hit that lovely like button and comment in the box below? It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and getting the video out to more people. While you're at it, why not hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. And have a look at smashing that bell notification. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. Now, if you're looking for a free trading platform on which to trade your stocks and shares, why not check out the links in the description below. You'll get a free share worth up to £200 for signing up and depositing a small amount. There's links for Stake, Trading 212 and Freetrade. There's also links to other freebies, as well as videos you may have missed, and my Trading 212 pies, which I rebalance regularly, so why not check them out. We're going to talk about GameStop and the short squeeze. Now, everyone wants the retail investors to defeat the shorts. The thing is, everyone who is invested in hedge funds wants the retail investors to fail. So we basically, I hope you heard Chamath's interview with one of the short sellers, where he said it's kind of like Tesla, you don't know how to value that, so who are you to say that it's not the right value? No, it's not up to you to say it shouldn't be up here. You know, the market says it is, so it is, and they keep halting it. Markets across the US and the UK have restricted trading, and I wouldn't be surprised if they suspended trading for 10 days. Apparently people in Hong Kong, Germany and other countries want to get in on this because it will become part of history. I believe they will teach about this in future financial courses, and they will say why not to short a stock. Now, of course, you can easily go in and search for most shorted stocks. Ligand Pharmaceutical was one. You of course have Rocket, which has gone up as well, which is 40% short. You have Fubo TV, which was 60% short. I've shown you had to search for short stocks in a previous video. Of course, there's plenty of other ways, and I hope you've enjoyed today. Don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to comment in the box below. I'm sorry, I'm waiting on my new microphone. I hope it'll be worth the wait. I'll see you in the next video.
This retail phenomenon is here to stay. There are 2.7 million people inside of Wall Street Bets. I think that they are as important as any hedge fund or collection of hedge funds. And I think the most important thing is that in a world of zero interest rates and quantitative easing, I don't know how you can run a typical hedge fund strategy and make money anymore. Because, for example, when you looked at GameStop, you know, a normal person would say, how can you have 136% short interest? How can you be short 40% more shares than actually exist in the world? To a normal person, that doesn't make any sense. But to a Wall Street mathematician, that's the game that has been played for years. And that game came undone.
Well, I mean, that may be that may be somewhat of an extreme example. Let me just go through a couple of things you said here. I have a hard time believing. I mean, you suggested that there's, you know, a good amount of fundamental research going on underneath the GameStop Reddit situation. Do you truly believe that there's actual fundamental research? Not to disparage in any way the people who are actually making these trades, but this seems to be momentum rather than a deep fundamental analysis.
Scott, there's momentum in traditional hedge funds and how they move stocks as well. But it's really disparaging if the starting position is these guys can't do the same quality of research as an analyst in a fund. That's just not true.
I didn't say that. I didn't say they can't do that kind of research. I'm questioning whether they're actually doing the research when it comes to things like GameStop and AMC and some of these other things.
There's a distribution. And obviously at one end, there are fundamental analysts. But on the other end, there are momentum traders that follow trends. But by the way, the dirty little secret of Wall Street is that exists in hedge fund land. The reason why this GameStop trade has caused so much pain is because at the top of the pecking order was Melvin Capital. Those guys were incredible stock pickers. They are incredible fundamental modelers of companies. Okay, Gabe Plotkin is one of the sort of giants of our era, of my era, right? But at the end of the day, what happens is, irrespective of what he puts on, his trades are mimicked and copied by umpteen other hedge funds that follow along.